Hello again, this is Heidi Ellsworth and I am at the IIBEC show. That's the International Institute of Building Enclosure Consultants. Dave, I got it.
Well done.
And we are in the Leister booth with Dave. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Heidi.
What a great show, huh?
Yeah, it's been very busy. It's been good.
High quality people.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, it really sounds. Well, Dave, can you start out with an introduction of yourself for those few people who don't know you?
Sure, absolutely.
And the company, Leister.
Absolutely. So my name is Dave Nordentoft. Again, I'm the manager of the roofing product division here at Leister in the United States. We've been in business for 75 years, doing what we do with hot air welding technologies, specifically today focusing on, of course, the roofing category here with the roof consultants and architects and engineers and manufacturers for our sector. So we're very excited to be here today. And our main focus here at the show has been to talk about one of the new products that we have that we just launched actually in the last 6 weeks or so, brand new VariMat platform.
So cool.
Yeah, we're very excited about it. It's been very well received. But today we're focused on talking about this new VariMat 700 and the LQS platform.
Yes.
Leister quality system, right? So we've been talking with the consultants a lot about quality management and quality management tools. And so with the new VariMat 700, we have some new opportunities to showcase some of these new technologies that we're bringing out into the market. So that's been a big topic for us the last 2 days.
I tell you what, you got to listen to the podcast with Dave, both about the LQS system, but also about the 700. That was such a great podcast. It came out right before and right during IRE, International Roofing Expo. So check out our YouTube and also the Leister directory on Roofers Coffee Shop to hear that podcast. But this is going to be revolutionary. I mean, what you're bringing out with the 700 really is bringing the whole technology platform to the forefront.
Right. And so, a lot of the consultants want to talk about ways to improve the process. And there's a lot more technologies coming out in a lot of different areas within the industry. And so this is a way to help sort of capture data and harvest that data to be able to use during a project, but also be able to archive their work, the quality of their work, and be able to have as an archive for years to come, be able to save the welding data and be able to refer back to that welding data. So it definitely has the attention of some of the folks in the building today.
Yeah, it does. Well, data is everything. And also when it comes to, you and I have talked about this so many times, but risk mitigation. Risk is just so key for contractors right now. Are the seams right? What's happening up on the roof? Safety, all of those kind of things. And this really, the 700 is going to put that data in the contractor's hands and the consultants and the building owners to really be able to lower risk and increase productivity.
Absolutely. You absolutely nailed it. So yeah, I mean, that's, this audience, this brings all these folks into the same room to be able to have this conversation. Yes. And, so it's, we're talking to consultants here, we're talking with the manufacturers here as well, because obviously they have a little bit of stake in quality control, quality management. If you think about, their responsibility and what they have to do during the project, and then what they carry after the project on these warranted projects and that sort of way. So everybody's all dialed into how can we improve the overall quality of these projects. This is just a little piece of the puzzle.
Yeah, I love it. This is, we love tools at Roofers Coffee Shop, and we love the Leister heat welders, just so great. But you also have another, because we love tools, we've got to show your other thing.
So we're going to be bringing out a newer tool that's more oriented toward the testing side of the business a little bit later this summer. I'll show you here. So we have a new vacuum plate that'll be utilized. It's going to be battery powered. It's going to be utilized for weld testing, integrity testing for, let's say, patches or T-joints and that sort of thing. But it's super lightweight. It's going to run off of a universal like Bosch battery platform. So it's going to be a really nice price point. It's going to be easy to get it on off the jobs and be great. A lot of consultants were very interested in this for when this comes out. So again, they have to be responsible for a lot of different testing. Especially during and then after the project. So this is going to be one of the newer things that we're coming out a little bit later this summer.
Yeah, I love it. This is cool. I love this stuff. Watch for this on Tool Corner in the Week in Roofing, because it'll be on there.
All right.
This is so cool. Well, Dave, thank you so much.
Good.
It sounds like you're hearing great things from the consultants.
So far, so good.
Yeah,
absolutely.
It's all good. Hey, stay tuned. We're going to be back more from here at the IIBEC show. Great stuff, as you can tell, that is coming out, and great conversations with the consultants. Great. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned.